Welcome to our Data Analytics Projects by Raghav Bali and Dipanjan Sarkar, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. Raghav Bali has a master's degree, gold medalist in IT from the International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. He's an IT engineer at Intel, the world's largest silicon company, where he works on analytics, business intelligence and application development. He's worked as an analyst and developer in domains such as ERP, finance and BI with some of the top companies in the world. Raghav is a shutterbug, capturing moments when he isn't busy solving problems. Dipanjan Sarkar is an IT engineer at Intel, the world's largest silicon company, where he works on analytics, business intelligence and application development. He received his master's degree in information technology from the International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. His areas of specialization include software engineering, data science, machine learning, and text analytics. He's also reviewed data analysis with R, Learning R for geospatial analysis, and R Data Analysis Cookbook, all by Pact Publishing. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is Getting Started with R and Machine Learning. It acquaints you with the course and helps you reacquaint yourself with R and its basics. This section also provides you with a short introduction to machine learning. After that, the section, Let's Help Machines Learn, dives into machine learning by explaining the concepts that form its base. You're also presented with various types of learning algorithms, along with some real-world examples. The next section, Predicting Customer Shopping Trends with Market Basket Analysis, deals with market basket analysis and association rule mining to detect customer shopping patterns and trends, and make product predictions and suggestions using these techniques. Moving further, Building a Product Recommendation System covers the second part of our first project on e-commerce product recommendations, predictions and pattern analysis. Section Credit Risk Detection and Prediction, Descriptive Analytics, specifically deals with introducing the main objective, looking at a financial credit data set for 1,000 people who have applied for loans from a bank. Also, Credit Risk Detection and Prediction, Predictive Analytics, covers several supervised learning algorithms and compares their performance. Different metrics for evaluating the efficiency and accuracy of various machine learning algorithms. The next section is Social Media Analysis, Analyzing Twitter Data, walks you through the process of mining useful information from tweets, including visualizing Twitter data with real-world examples, clustering and topic modeling of tweets. The final section, Sentiment Analysis of Twitter Data, will introduce you to the concept of model selection, which allows you to compare different machine learning algorithms. The course is an enticing journey that starts from the very basics and gradually picks up pace as it unfolds. Each topic is explained with the help of a project that solves a real-world problem hands-on, thus giving you a deep insight into the world of machine learning. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.